Hi, it's Maxine from Twinkl.
Today I'll be showing you a range of bingo activities that we have available on the Twinkl website. We have lots of these to support a variety of different topics. This Phase 2 Initial Sounds bingo is lots of fun. You could ask children who has something on their bingo board that starts with that initial letter. Who has the S sound? Can children find other items that begin with that sound? You could play our B sound bingo game with a spinner. There are many different ways for children to get a bingo. Simply spin the spinner and call out a word. If children have it, they can cover it up with a counter. You could use our bingo templates to make your own bingo game with words that start with that sound. Children can then call out the word or give their friends some clues. Why not try our CVC bingo game? You can use this to play bingo in groups or as a whole class. Simply call out or show the signs on the list and children can cover up the right answer. Who will be the first to make a word? Can they sign or sound out a word for their partner to guess? This Ladybird bingo is great to help children with number recognition. They could match numbers to Ladybird spots as you call out the number. Or they could match the spots to the numbers. You could call out numbers for children to cover up, or children could draw on the Ladybirds to help them. They could even use the Ladybirds to help them to find one more or one less.
Hope you found this useful. See you next time.